Who wants to make chicken pot pie, but like the most easy way possible? Okay, here's how we do it. It is a great receptacle for whatever you have on hand. So there was a lot of chicken left over from ordering some Cuban chicken for a party. So I'm going to make a chicken pot pie. Now you could make it a fancy way or you can make it the easy way. Daphne Brogdon always chooses easy. The most easy is the frozen way we had growing up as kids, but I think I can whip it up pretty easily in the kitchen. First off, deal with the puff pastry. You know, it doesn't roll out perfectly, and you're going to have to defrost it and roll it out to get this yummy meal. So we start with the leftover chicken. So it was a Cuban chicken. It was made with lemons and onions. Then I've got my three musketeers here: peas, carrots, puff pastry, ready to go. So took a fork and a knife, shredded the chicken. Now I would put the carrots in first in a pan of oil, so because I like my carrots a little crispy, a little caramely. Put in the garlic, chopped up some onions, and then some chicken broth. Now my late husband Mark Peel had a very fancier, really delicious chicken pot pie recipe, which I highly recommend in his cookbook, New Classic Family Dinners. This one's a little easier. Got some thyme from my garden and frozen peas. I can't imagine chicken pot pie without peas. Mushrooms are also a good addition, although I didn't put them in because my kids don't like it. Added the chicken. Now, melted some butter. Then I added some flour for roux. Forgot to film that part. Mix that all together with about a quarter to a half a cup of some half and half, or you could use cream. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes. And there you have a perfect one-pot meal. It came from the Romans to the UK, and then America added chicken and carrots. Please like and subscribe for more easy recipes.